guys, happy 1st of December. I'm super excited because I get to open my advent calendar and do all the little Christmassy bits. So I am doing Vlogmas this year, which I'm super excited about. So don't forget to leave a like and subscribe down below to not miss out on any of my content. I've got loads of bits to show you guys, like I've got Christmas bedding to put on, a few more decorations to put up. I've got my advent calendars to open. I've got a cheese one and I've got my glossy box one. So yeah, I'm super excited about that. So basically I've been at work today. I'm at work all week now, so I'll probably just vlog on the night, but I've still got loads of fun things planned. So yeah, the first thing we are going to do is I am going to put on my Christmas bedding. And yes, I am in my pyjamas right now because, you know, why not? It's Christmas. Be comfortable. And yeah, if you guys haven't guessed by now, I am wearing my bear onesie. So it does just look like this, which is so cute and cozy. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and yeah, let's get on with the video. So this is the bedding I've got. It's got a few hats on, some Christmas trees, some stars, and some little reindeers, which is so cute. So I'm going to put this on, and then to go with that I've got a very soft snowflake throw, which is going to look amazing, and it's so soft. So this is what I'm going to be putting on my bed. So yeah, very Christmassy. So yeah, let's get time-lapsing this little part of the video. Okay, so this is the bed. How nice is that? Honestly, this looks so nice and gorgeous. And then this is what the bedding looks like, which is so cute and Christmassy. So this is my Christmas bedding complete, and I'm honestly so happy with it. Okay, so now it's time to open my advent calendars. I have this cheese advent calendar, and I also have my glossy box one. So in the cheese advent calendar you get applewood, cheddar, apple, onion and sage, a Mexicana cheddar, a vintage cheddar, double Gloucester, I think that's how you say it, but you get that one, applewood vintage, red Leicester, cheddar cheese and aged red Leicester as well. So you get 9 varieties of cheese. So I'm just going to open both of day one of my advent calendars. So in day one of the cheese advent calendar we have this applewood cheese, which I'm super excited to try. And then in day one of the glossy box advent calendar we have this Elemis Pro Collagen cleanser, which I'm excited to try as well. So I'll probably try this on the 2nd of December after I've had my nice bath and everything. So yeah, I'm super excited to try this, and I'm going to have this now and see what it tastes like. Honestly, this cheese tastes so nice. Highly recommend. So yeah, this is definitely a 10 out of 10 from me. So I still have some super cute ornaments to decorate my room with. So we have this super cute reindeer silver candle, which is so nice. And then we have these little snowmen ornaments as well. And then we have my polar bear, which is cute. And then we have some tinsel just to go around my bed, and maybe like on my dressing table or near my TV. So yeah, I'm just going to time lapse that, and I'm also going to put some Christmas music on as well. So yeah. Hey guys, it is now the 2nd of December, so yay. I've just finished work, hence why I'm in my uniform still. If you don't know, I am a housekeeper. But yeah, I've just finished work. I've been at work all day, so the plan is for today is I'm going to get a nice warm bath. I'm going to open my advent calendars for the 2nd of December, and then I might do some baking later, which will be fun. But yeah, and then Friday I will be at work again, so there won't be much more to this video after maybe today. But yeah, I hope you all are getting in the festive spirit. And yeah, I'm literally going to get out of these clothes because I'm so sweaty, and I'm going to go take a nice warm bath to chill out and relax. But yeah, this is my uniform, and I am a housekeeper, and it's pretty good money as well, which is good. But yeah, I've had an alright day. It hasn't been too bad. But yeah, I'm going to go chill out now, and yeah, let's go.